Hey y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking today is from HerGivenHair. This is their Kinky 3-in-1 half wig in a 4B 4C texture, and it's in 20 inches. So this is just what it looks like straight out of the packaging. As you guys can see, it has the combs, it has adjustable straps, and it also does have the drawstring at the back as well. That way, you know, it is 3-in-1. It is a one size fits all cap. So y'all see, really nice and full. Ahead and did a quick little wash to the unit. It's not mandatory, you can just spray it down with water. So I'm gonna be going ahead and doing a twist out because that's what they requested. So we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna use some mousse or whatever from Lotta Body, I believe that's what that is, and I'm just going to saturate the wet hair with the mousse and detangle if needed, and then I'm just going to do 2 strand twists. I put a wig on my mannequin head and I'm doing the style. I always feel like I'm really doing somebody's hair. Like, I feel like I'm in the salon doing somebody's hair. So this is my client for the day. It's the HerGivenHair 3-in-1 half wig. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to go ahead and do the 2 strand twists all over the unit. The hair starts drying up on you. You might have to go ahead and re-wet the unit a bit. But yeah, so I'm at the top of the unit now, and I'm just twisting. You can do big twists, you can do small twists. It's just really up to you, however you wanna, you know, do yours. So if you have time to let yours sit overnight and dry, do so. But if you don't, do what I'm doing and get that blow dryer, because I did not have time to let these twists sit overnight because I got places to go, things to do. So I'm gonna hit them with that blow dryer on high heat just to go ahead and dry them. But then I did go ahead and let them stay in, obviously, while I showered and got myself together for the day. So as you guys know, I do have locks, so I'm just gonna leave out the front portion of my micro locks, and I'm gonna put the rest in a cap. I'm not going to braid down my hair or anything. So this is the back of the unit. I didn't use the combs though because I'm not going to be putting those down in my locks. If you want to do that, you can. Me personally, that's not for me. I'm just going to use the drawstring and adjustable straps. I decided to put a little bit more of the hair on my locks back because I didn't need that much hair out. Having locks is different than having loose hair. So if you have loose hair, you can leave more of your hairline out. But like I said, I have to do what works for my micro locks. So if you have loose natural hair, leave more of your hairline out. This is what's going to work for me. So I put the unit on, then I'm just going to pull the drawstring to the desired tightness that is going to work with me. Obviously I don't want it to hurt my head, so I'm not going to pull it too tight, but tight enough to where it's not going to slip off my head. And then you can use closed bobby pins if you're not going to, you know, use the combs like me. The drawstring, you just want to go ahead and tuck it in the inside of the wig, obviously, and then I'm going to go ahead and start unraveling my twists. Now, they probably would set a little bit better if they were set overnight, but y'all still see they set pretty well, and I have a lot of texture. So I'm just going to go ahead and unravel those and then separate. So I decided to separate mine a lot because I don't know it's because I have locks or what right now, but I'm not feeling the twist out. Like, I just was not feeling it. So I'm like, no, I need this to be a little bit more fuller. I wanted a fuller look, so that's why I'm separating mine. But y'all see how the difference between the two sides, like if you leave it like that, it's gonna, you know, be more defined, but that wasn't the look I was trying to go for. So yeah. I was gonna go ahead and leave my hair out in the front, but I was like, no, that's not gonna blend as how I want it. So let me just tuck it back in the cap and sit the wig a little bit behind my locks, and that way it'll give a more realistic, like a flip over feel. And that's exactly what it did for me. Just wait, y'all gonna see. I'm gonna spruce it up and it's gonna look really nice as opposed to me trying to blend my locks into the hair. So yeah, I feel like this method works better for me, but teach his own. And I didn't have a black wig cap. I would definitely recommend putting on a black wig cap. Not that it's going to be exposed or anything, but you know, that's what I would do in the future. But y'all see how I'm deciding to go ahead and do like a side flip over. It's going to look really nice. Wouldn't be me if I didn't do my edges. You don't have to do your edges. It's not mandatory, but I'm going to go ahead and do mine. So I'm just going to swoop those around, get them to how I want them to look, and just wait until y'all see how this going to come out. It's going to be so cute. as y'all can see, I sprayed some water on it. I sure did, because I needed to get the unit to lay how I wanted to lay, and it just wasn't doing what I needed to do without the water. So the twist out is kind of non-existent, kind of still there, kind of not. It's giving like a 5-day-old twist out. You know when a twist out get old but it still be giving? That is what this look is giving. But y'all see how nice that looks blended, like with my locks. Like for me to have locks and still able to wear this unit, look at that, y'all. Like it looks so good. And look at the back. If y'all are lock girlies, it just goes to show that your locks are definitely universal, because look at the unit. Like it looks so cute. I still was able to blend it with my micro locks, and yeah, this is definitely giving like OG Mona B. Like I feel like, yeah, like I haven't seen myself look like this in a minute. Well, obviously this is a 3-in-1 unit, so I have to show y'all 3 ways. So that front section, we're just gonna go ahead and leave that out. In the back section of the wig, I'm gonna gather the whole thing and I'm going to put it into a bun. So I'm just gonna like pin that out the way, so you know it's out of the way. And yeah, so put everything into a ponytail in the back. You can do a ponytail, bun, whatever you choose to do. I have my bun all situated. I'm gonna take a really thick band. I got these off of Amazon, but you can get them at the beauty supply store, and I'm just gonna literally put that over. That way it covers up the fact that it's a wig, and then it looks like it's my real hair. So yes, you guys, this is definitely a cute style you can wear to work out in, you know, go to the park. But yeah, I'm just readjusting my bun because y'all know how I am. Like I gotta make sure I like it. And I decided to like twist the bang and tuck it into the headband and do like the little bouffant bang situation. It's an OG hairstyle for me too, but it looks super cute. I really love it. Like look at that, you guys. Like it is giving, and you don't even know that I have locks. Like that's crazy. All right, so you already know I gotta give it to y'all in different angles. Look at me, I'm feeling myself. So yes, you guys, super cute. I feel like this should convince y'all right here. Cop this unit. Now, but I'm gonna go ahead and do one more style. I have my locks out in the front, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig back on the back of my head and pull the drawstring. Y'all already know, very easy to install. You can do this anywhere. You can travel with this, very easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do 2 like big buns, bantu knot situation, really buns with my locks. And I just want to show y'all how good this looks. Even though I have like locks, it still blends in really nicely with the hair. So I love this for me because it's definitely what I needed. And I'm just adding a rubber band around on the little buns to keep them into place. But look at how cute this looks, you guys. And I didn't even have to use no hair from the unit, but the unit is there. I love this because I'm eventually going to do like some braids maybe in the front of my head and then put this unit over the braids. Like, I don't know, y'all gonna see. But I am applying some of this gold, you know, string just to liven it up a bit. And I feel like it turned out so cute. I'm actually going to be wearing this style again because I have an outfit in mind. But look at how cute this looks, you guys. How natural. Like, HerGivenHair did that. And it matches so well with my locks. Okay, you guys. What's up? What's going on? What's popping? What's good? How you feeling? How you living? What's the tea? Okay? Y'all ain't seen me in a minute, but I'm here. So today I am rocking the HerGivenHair Kinky 3-in-1 half wig. They sent me it in the Kinky 4B 4C. It's in 20 inches. The cap size is just a cap size. It should be able to fit everybody's head. It's a free cap size and it is in a natural color. They sent this to me in 20 inches. Y'all know I don't really like long hair. You know, I feel like right here would have ate down. So you know what I'm going to do? When I wear this after this video, I will be chopping this. But for the sake of the video, I wanted to keep it the length. I will be cutting it short because I just like a shorter look. I feel like it's going to lay better and it's going to look better. But this is still really cute if you like long hair. Y'all know I'm just not a super long hair girl. That's just not my vibe. It's just not my thing. I don't like no long, big hair. It's beautiful, but it's just too much for me. So they wanted me to go ahead and do a twist out on this unit. But honestly, the twist out was cute, but it was just too flat, and I wanted volume. So I'm not gonna lie, I sprayed it with some water. That's what y'all see me do. I did spray it. So you can kind of see that it does have a little bit of texture from the twist out within the strands. But you could tell I definitely did spray some water on it because like I needed to be a little volume. Like I like volume. Like if I'm gonna go do me some kinky curly hair, you know, I want it big. Get big. Get big. No, I want it big. I don't it was just laying too flat. And then y'all know I have locks. So I feel like the bigger look was going to look better with my locks. But you guys, this half wig is bomb because you can wear it as a full wig. You can wear it as a half wig. You can wear it in a ponytail. I didn't put it into a like drawstring ponytail. But you definitely can put it into a drawstring ponytail. Once my locks get a little bit longer, I'll be able to do that. But I just didn't want to put no tension. I don't like putting tension on my locks. It's just not the best thing. But when my hair gets longer, I'm definitely going to wear this as a drawstring ponytail. But let me tell y'all, this half situation is eating down. I did me 2 little space buns, and it's so cute because it's like with my locks and you wouldn't even know. Like the texture matches really, really well into my locks, and that's really important to me. Even when I wore it as a full wig, I was able to finesse it and to get it to look right. Now you can wear this with like parting and things like that, but I don't know, I'm just not really, I don't really enjoy a part. I'm not really a part girl. Parts are okay. I've been wearing them more since I have locks now. But I do like it just seamless. I don't necessarily have to have a part. Like, of course, I have a part right here. But I wasn't going to, like, part my real hair to try to match up. No. You know what I'm saying? It don't need all that. It don't need all that. So even if you are a loose natural, if you are locked, this unit is going to be perfect. I feel like this is definitely a good buy because it's 3 in 1. You can wear it as a full wig, a half wig, or a ponytail. Like you're getting your money worth. And y'all know HerGivenHair do not skip out on the units. The density of this is, okay, so this one is 185 grams. So that's really, really dense and really full. As y'all can see, this is a lot of hair. Like, it looks so cute. So yeah, this is going to be definitely a staple for me this summer. Like I said, I am going to chop it down just a little bit because I feel like I just like it. It's going to frame my face better. Like, y'all see the vision? Like, if I just let all this go, see the vision? Like, let me tuck it under so y'all can really see the vision. Y'all see the vision, how that's going to, like, yeah. But it's cute long too, but I don't know. I just like a shorter look. It just, me and it just go together real bad. Me and a shorter look just go together real bad. Like I'm able to maneuver better, move around better. But yes, this unit is beautiful, you guys. Definitely get it. I'm rating it a 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend. It's versatile. You can do so many different styles with this unit. So yes, you guys, make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram at @TheMonaBanks so y'all can see all the different ways that I'll be rocking this upcoming summer, because y'all know we about to enter spring then summer. But yes, and make sure y'all check out HerGivenHair. Y'all know I've been working with them for years, so I will link a lot of the videos that I've done with them in the description box. Are a creditable hair company, so make sure y'all tap in with them. They have some amazing units, and yeah, they've been providing us these units all throughout the years since I've pretty much been on YouTube. So yeah, y'all, so check them out. The unit that I'm rocking will be, the 3-in-1 unit will be in the description box below, so make sure y'all check that out, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.